Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Nadine West clothing unboxing. Just totally ripped the tissue paper, but that's okay. This is for the month of October. I have 2 tops, 2 bottoms, a dress, and a necklace, and they do have the prices on there. I will put that at the end when I show the pictures of the items. But the first thing is some leggings. Just switch directions so that sun isn't in the shot, but these are very distressed. Dark blue. I like those. Those are cute. Definitely something I would wear. Also have one of the tops from Sheila Rose. That's really cute too. Pretty sheer, which I'm not a fan of, but I like the color and the design of it. The red and black, love that. And then a tank top. I feel like I've been getting tank tops the past couple months now that it's cold here. Would have been more appropriate for the summer months. But it's nice and flowy. I like the tie-dye look. Then I have the necklace. I feel like I've gotten this one before. If not, it was something very similar to it. It's all tangled up, but silver leaf. And typically they have pretty long chains. I'll have to untangle that and I'll insert a picture at the end. Another pair of bottoms. Stretchy. They're like a light navy. Fake pockets. And then no pockets on the back. And this should be the dress. It's tangled. There we go. Also by Sheila Rose. Oh, that's cute. Navy does have the little keyhole in the back that it cinches and flows out. Not too long, but not too short. Very cute. So how this works is you try it on, whatever you keep, and whatever you don't want, you put it back in the bag, put the self-stamped little thing on it, return it, and they only charge you for what you keep. So it's very simple, and I do have lots of previous unbaggings if you want to see them, and I will insert the pictures and the prices right now. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.